everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are also loving this makeup look, then please follow me on Instagram. I have a full tutorial there and even I love this look, like this butterfly and glittery thing. I love glitters. So this is not what we are here for. We are here to unbox September Fab bag. Yes, obviously you could see that excitement on my face because I love unboxing Fab bag, as you guys already know. So now let me show you what a September Fab bag looks like, and I really love the color yellow. Yellow makes me happy. I don't know, I have something to do with this color because I love every color, but yellow, it has my heart always. And the products inside this Fab bag is, I just love them. So first of all, those who are new and watching this video for the first time, I am gonna leave a video where I am telling everything about Fab bag, what is it and how to use it, flana, dhamkana, everything here. So here is some I button, click on that and you will get into my video. Also, I'm gonna leave my coupon code here, which is Aditi10, and you can avail 10% discount. Alright, so let's start with the first product, which is this vitamin C face wash. Alright, so the quantity of this face wash is 50 ml and this face wash is enriched with the essence of vitamin C. So this face wash is refreshing and it is the perfect everyday cleanser for skin. It is rich in antioxidant which will strip away the excess layer of sebum, leaving the skin clear and bright. Now next product that I have with me is this under eye cream, and this is how it looks like. So this under eye cream claims to reduce puffiness, fine lines and dark circles, and I really loved it because it is super hydrating under eyes. Now the next product that I have with me, which I always wanted to try, but I don't know, for some reasons I just couldn't, but thankfully Fab bag made this time we have this product. So basically this is the Sebamed ka moisturizing cream. So this is basically a trial pack, like you can use it, try it. If you like it, you can order a big one for yourself. Trust me guys, I so wanted to try this and I am really thankful to Fab bag that they included this and I love it. In the Fab bag, there are two moisturizers, one from Plum Goodness, which I am going to show you, and another is from Sebamed. So what I did is divided my face into two parts, and this side I applied Plum and this side I applied Sebamed, so you can see the difference. Now the next product is from Plum Goodness. I really love their pouches. There is something about them. I have two pouches and now this is the third one. So this one is the cleansing balm and this one is the moisturizer. I already told you, like with the Sebamed thing. So first let us talk about this cleansing balm. Oh my god, I love this cleansing balm. Basically cleansing balm kya hota hai? Cleansing balm is something which you use before makeup, after makeup. Before makeup is like just a pre-cleansing step before makeup, like to clean your skin from any dust, impurities, sweat, oil, whatever. This step is really important if you want your makeup to last long. So yeah, and after makeup, to remove makeup obviously, and it is so hydrating. It is rich in moisturization. And now the next product jiske liye main super excited thi is this. Like, can you see that rainbow thing? So basically this is the Berry Breeze ka bath bomb crumble. ये क्या करता है, you just have to drop a spoonful of this product into your bucket or bathtub and you will see some crazy bubbles. And now the last product that I have with me is again जिसके लिए I was super excited, is this palette from Sugar. You guys already know कि कितना popular palette है ये. So this is the Contour de Force face palette and I'm in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. This is basically a trio palette where you get a contour shade, a blush shade and the middle one is a highlighter, and this is what I'm wearing on my face and I totally love it. And the highlighter is gorgeous. You can see, oh my god, it is gorgeous. Alright guys, so that's it with this video. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.